What if you were diving underwater for the first time? At first, you might struggle, but quickly realize that no matter how hard you try, you can't open your mouth to take a breath. No matter how hard you try, your body just won't let you breathe underwater. So why is this? Are we just not built for it? Well, it's actually more complicated than that. Humans can't breathe underwater because of the way our lungs are built. Our lungs are designed to pull oxygen from the air, which contains about 21% oxygen. When we inhale, our lungs pass the oxygen into the blood, and carbon dioxide exits through our mouths. Simple, but underwater, things get complicated. To understand why, let's take a look at a fish. Water actually contains oxygen, but far less than air. Fish evolved gills, which are super efficient at pulling dissolved oxygen from water. Our lungs, they're like parachutes trying to work underwater. Useless. So what happens if humans try to breathe underwater? Let's go back to our divers. You take a big deep breath, but instead of air, water fills your lungs. That's because when you inhale, your diaphragm and all the muscles between your ribs indirectly expand your lungs. This creates a negative pressure, which normally sucks air in through your windpipe. But underwater, it sucks water in. And here's where things get really bad. The diver tries to exhale, but can't. That's because the water can't get out. You're now completely blocked. Normally, oxygen passes from the tiny sacs in your lungs, called alveoli, into your blood, and carbon dioxide moves in the opposite direction. But when those little sacs are filled with water, nothing can get in or out. Instead, water fills your lungs, blocking the exchange of oxygen. And since your blood isn't getting any oxygen, your heart pumps water around your body, not blood. Within a few minutes, your brain shuts down. Did you know, if you were to try to breathe water, your lungs would fill up like a sponge, meaning your body wouldn't get any oxygen. And within minutes, your brain would shut down. So don't try this at home. But could humans ever breathe underwater? Maybe. Scientists are experimenting with genetic modification of humans to have gills. And in the lab, they've gotten some animals to breathe underwater by infusing them with oxygen-rich liquid. But for humans, it's still a long way from reality. Someday, advanced scuba technology might allow us to explore the oceans more easily. But for now, we can only visit the underwater world. For billions of years, life started in water. Our ancestors likely had gills to breathe underwater. But as some of those creatures evolved to survive on land, lungs became necessary. And ironically, we once had ancestors who could breathe underwater, but evolution chose land, and with it, lungs. Now, the ocean remains a world we can only visit, never truly live in. So the next time you dive into a pool or the ocean, remember, our bodies were never built for this world. But what if one day science makes it possible? Would you choose to live underwater?